Top of the morning to my people, man. Top of the morning. Hope everybody doing good, bro. I'm happy to see y'all. Hope y'all happy to see me. It's Saturday, and what a way to start the weekend. I'm on my way to a job right now, and hopefully we get the schedule booked for this weekend. If not, I'm just grateful anyway, bro. So far, it's been a good Saturday. It's early in the morning, or I woke up earlier, but it's still early. It's about 9 o'clock. Yeah, bro, we on our way to get this money, bro. Finna go pick up my boy Mike so he can lend me a helping hand. We finna make a right turn. Yeah, bro. Finna pick up Mike so he can lend me a helping hand, bro. I'm pretty sure a lot of the jobs that I do, bro, it could be a one-person job, but I prefer to get it done as quick as possible. So with that being said, if I gotta pay somebody to help, that's something I'm willing to do, bro. Yes, sir, but we finna get to this job, or I'm finna pick up Mike, and then we finna get to the job, bro. It's not very... Okay, yeah, something just caught my attention. It's not too bad of a job, to be honest with you, bro. It should take like 30 minutes or less. Honestly, 30 minutes or less, I feel like we should be able to knock this out and move on with the weekend. Hopefully I get done sooner, so I go to the range with my coworkers, because what the hell are y'all doing? There's hella cars and lowriders and all that. Look at this. So y'all know when traffic is stopped up, bro, motherfuckers be driving crazy, making sudden stops and all that, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nice cars, though. Nice cars, but all them sudden stops, ain't nobody got time for that, bro. But yeah, man, hopefully I can knock this job out in a timely fashion, timely manner, whatever the case may be, so I can go to the range, go to Five Dogs with my coworkers. If I can't make it to the range today, what I will do is throughout the week, I'll start gathering my own ammunition, bro. Get like 100, 200 rounds, bro, of 9mm, 12 gauge. And I believe I could take the 5.56 out there too. And we might do a range video this next weekend or this weekend. Either way it go, bro, we're gonna try to get one cracking. But yeah, let me pick my boy up. I'm happy to see y'all. Hope y'all happy to see me. If you're new to the Wise Gang, the dopest gang on YouTube, make sure you like, share, hit that notification. You feel me? You find me. I'm talking about, bro, but I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Yes, sir. Hell yeah.
People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Speed alive, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning.
We got big money in the building. What's up, man? The YouTube ain't seen you in a long time, bro. Indeed. Indeed. Let me show y'all what we look like real quick. Real quick, man. Early Saturday morning. Festivities, bro. We got all this right here, y'all. We taking this bad boy. All of this. I'm gonna give y'all a better view from this side. And most of the stuff we could break down and put it in the trash can. I see a few items missing. Hell yeah. Knock this out. And we're good to go. Not too bad. What you think, Mike?
Ain't too bad.
Yeah. And we'll knock it out real quick. See y'all in a minute. Just cardboard. Yeah, let me set y'all down somewhere. We're gonna knock this out. Hell yeah, we about a third. What you think, a third of the way? Them and half the way, huh? Because we got most of the important stuff.
Grab and go.
Like this is grab and go. Some of the stuff I'm gonna tuck in the bag because the Tupperware is dry rot. But not very hard at all, bro. Shout out to my boy Mike for the help. We finna finish real quick, y'all. We got our finishing touches. You like my little hookup, nigga? Know what I'm saying? My little hookup. That point of view. You know I done turned to a nerd.
That's real. While you doing your thing, they still see it, man.
Exactly. I didn't record the first half, but just so they can see the final touch. I think, bro, you make this shit so easy. So easy. almost done, y'all. You know that saying when they say act like you done been here before?
Yeah.
That's how you be doing this shit.
It's all the same shit. You see it, you gotta get it. That's your shit. Only time nigga really get you out of your bullshit is when you see something good, but now you gonna stop and look at it and all that.
Yeah. I do got another job lined up though.
So that's
A garage clean out for I could do it today, tomorrow. My coworker said he really ain't tripping, but it's a garage clean out. I think you're gonna like that one. I think you're gonna like that one. Yeah, yeah.
what it
Where you go? Yes, sir. Woman asking for a dustpan? Oh, we want to yoke it.
Yo,
You want the gloves?
I'm gonna get this shit.
Alright, guys.
I don't see no dog shit and I'm
I'll make sure I give you an extra tip. It looks time for the yoke this shit, cuz. This nigga is a savage, cuz. I think you might be employee of the month. Nigga, I ain't even grabbing that. On me, I wouldn't not without my gloves. Nigga, I need gloves. Yeah. You know, the skin is tender. Can't get a tender rod.
And them grows quick as I just felt.
Hell yeah. But if something stick to your skin, it's tough. Nigga, a spider bite you, it say ow.
No, I feel them. That's the
That rose bush.
Anything else I can buy on top of that shit and make it go down.
Show y'all the before and after. I think we did a great job, bro. A real good job. And thanks to Mike for being a big help, bro. I'm gonna make sure I look after my boy, bro. Cause it's hard to find good people, bro. Good people that actually really want to work. And that man do not mind getting dirty, bro. But this the before and after, y'all. I think it's a 10 out of 10 if you ask me. Yeah, and every job we learn something new. That's real good, man, real good. Wise gang, it's your boy, man. I'm finna go drop, or not about to go drop. I already dropped Mike off. I need my hair done, son. I dropped Mike off already, bro. Really a helping hand, bro. It's always good to have them type of individuals just ready to go, bro. And he don't mind getting dirty, bro. He's just trying to get the job done so he can go on about his day. And same here, bro, but he a different level of savage, man. But I'm happy, bro. Job well done. I'm picking up the boys right now as we speak, bro. And we finna head to the house. Drop this trailer off and go on about our day, bro. Probably head to the park, play basketball, somebody up there. If not, play football with the boys or play basketball with them. It don't matter. On my mama. Yeah, they're coming right now, bro. Hope y'all like the video. Hope y'all like the content, bro. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for all the support, bro. We just gonna keep on moving and grooving and doing what we do, bro. Life is good, family. Life is real good. I hope you feel the same about yours. I really do. But I'll see y'all in a minute, champ. Yes, sir.